प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हो? I hope that you will be fine at your home. I hope that you completed previous work also. But today we will discuss question number 6 of exercise 2A, chapter number 2, exponents, class 8. No, what is this? Question number 6 we have to do today. Question number 6 and 7 both we have to do here. Here question number 6, evaluate. We have to do the evaluation work here. That is A part, 1 by 4 raised to power minus 1 minus 1 over 5 raised to power minus 1 and bracket closed, big bracket plus 1. So you know well, if we have the inverse power, how we make that positive? Here I will show to you A raised to power minus m is equal to A 1 over A raised to power m. We can write this as. That's why this will become 4 over 1 raised to power 1 minus 5 over 1 raised to power 1 and bracket close, big bracket plus 1. Now simply this we can say, we can write for the denominator 1, that is 4 here minus 5 bracket closed and plus 1. So we can see when we have the one negative and positive integer, always we have to subtract anyone, maybe first negative, maybe second negative, but in both cases we have to subtract what sign of a greater integer we have to put with the answer. So that's why you say 4 minus 5 will become minus 1, or then because there are minus negative integers 5 and 5 is greater from the 4, that's why this minus will become a plus 1. Bracket is removed from here, or then this will become 0. So let's say A parts answer we have exercise 2A, question number 6 का A part है. No, here I am going to solve for you. I will show to you B part solution. That is 11 by 12 raised to power minus 10 divided by 11 by 12 raised to power minus 12. Here is minus 10, here is minus 12 into 123 over 121. Mixed fraction we have here, no? So see carefully which exponent is possible to apply here. That is A raised to power m divided by A raised to power m is equal to A raised to power m minus m. A raised to power m divided by A raised to power n is equal to A raised to power m minus m. So same way it is A 11 by 12 is here, m is minus 10 or n is minus 12. That's why here A 11 by 12 will come minus 10 minus, because of the exponent there is a, or second number is also negative, so minus 12 in the bracket we have to put. Then bracket close, or same last number we have to write. Now here see two sign are there, so we have to solve first with this bracket. That is 11 by 12 minus 10 plus 12, or into this will remain same. Now next is there, what will come? Minus 10 plus 12, same as the A part. Here we got negative and positive integers. We have to subtract what sign of greater number. Sometimes we face problem which sign should be there. That's why again and again I am repeating for you. So this minus 10 plus 12 will become 12. 11 by 12 raised to power 2 will become, or into. Here also we have to solve. This mixed number is mixed fraction is there. How to solve? This one we have to multiply this one, or plus 23. So see here I did work for you. Here multiplied. Then added 23, we got 144 by 121. Or then this is 2 times. There are two ways. Here also we can make as exponent form, or this we can remove also. Power as a, how can we remove? By writing, but in the power 2. So 2 times we have to write 11 by 12 into 144 over 121. See who? Here numerators, here this denominator are divisible by each other. So 11 ones are 11 is a 121. Same here, 11 ones are 1 or 11 ones are 1. So like this cancel. Now left material is a numerator 144 and denominator 12 into 12. This is also possible. For this there is students should have knowledge of the tables. 12 is a 144, or then 12 ones are 12 or 12 ones are 1. So like this, what is going on? We got here 1 1. Everybody is 1 1 we got. So now we have to write next for this 1 1 1. Each and every numerator is of each and every fraction is numerator is 1 1 1. That's why this will become 1. Or denominator is also 3 times 1 1 1. That is also 1. Or we can say answer is a 1. So like this question number 6, evaluate. There were two parts, both are completed. Now we will discuss question number 7, or that is very important also. The question can be asked of the type. Okay, one I will tell to you, or two or three I will give to you to solve. Whether you have to solve yourself. No, question number 7. What is there? Find and if their condition is given equal. Their variable value they can ask in such questions for this important type of the questions. Question number 7 is find the value of. Find the value of किसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है हमें n. Which type? For which 7 raised to power 2m divided by 7 raised to power minus 4 is equal to 7 raised to power minus 6. We have to find m such value कि these both terms we will solve by filling that as value. We will get the same as a right hand side. Same as right hand side we will get. Then see bases are same. Here is also base same as these, or there is a division. On division, just I explained to you the previous part also. Exponent, that is a raised to power m, a raised to power n. When division there always things will be reduced. So it means there is a minus sign will come, a raised to power m minus n. Now 7 raised to power 2m minus 4 here without bracket. No one will write. Please be careful. Raised to power minus 6, or then 7 raised to power 2m plus 4 is equal to 7 raised to power minus 6. So now see your bases are same, because one more exponent you will learn, and one condition means you have to fix your brain. If the bases are equal, since bases are equal, then exponents also will be equal. Bases are equal, exponents also will be equal. But the meaning of this one, देखिए यहाँ पे base जो है हमारे पास equal है, तो exponents भी क्या हो जाएंगे इनके equal. That we can say 2m plus 4 is equal to, no base will not show, only exponents. तो minus is जहाँ पे exponent है. No beta, this will be got as a linear equation in m variable. ये linear equation बन गया हमारे पास in one variable, that is m. So since you solved in previous class, first we transpose the constant number to the right hand side of the case, because the like terms we have to take together. That is we can say 2m is equal to minus 6 minus 4. So then see, just know in previous I told you opposite in sign integers. No, same sign integers, so both are negative always. जब हमारे पास same sign के integers so always we add, but sign will come common. ये rule है, ठीक है से हम इनको add करेंगे, but इनके जो आंसर का sign होगा वो common होगा. Common means जहाँ पे दोनों के साथ minus का sign है, इसलिए यहाँ पे दोनों के साथ minus आएगा. और 6 plus 4 will become 10. Now next step, ये पहले हमारे पास क्या हो गया कि हमने ट्रांसपोज किया टर्म को, ठीक है, like terms को to the right hand side or added structure. After that I will go to the question. Now it will come last step. Whatever there is a number we are getting the product of these, that we have to take to the right hand side. और मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमेशा की दूसरी संख्या की क्या बनती है, डिवाइड. ठीक है, तो ये ऐसे करवाने हम जैसे सभी बच्चों का बेनिफिट होगा. Those who want to learn mathematics easily they can get. Those who haven't wished to learn, nothing for them. But really, those who want to learn mathematics easily they can get. That way I am telling each and every time in a detail to your questions. So please be careful and be honest and do your work always carefully. Now I am going to give the questions to you to solve. At the same time, you have to solve from your book. ठीक है, पेज नंबर आपका ये है 40. पेज नंबर 40 हमारे पास है, ठीक है जी। चैप्टर तो आपको पता है, सेकंड है और क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 के जो है 3 पार्ट्स हैं, 3 पार्ट्स A, B and C, 3 parts. So there are in each and every question there is a what is x दिया हुआ आपको, तो आपने मीन्स x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, नथिंग इज देयर, ठीक है। जस्ट नीड टू यूज योर ब्रेन, देन यू कैन गेट द आंसर इजिली। हम थोड़ा सा फिर भी हिंट दे देते हैं आपको, थोड़ी सी कुछ चीजें जो अलग है इनके एक दो पार्ट्स में, दैट्स आई एम गोइंग टू गिव हिंट टू यू। फर्स्ट पार्ट, ए पार्ट इजिली यू कैन डू, बी पार्ट आई विल गिव हिंट टू यू। In B part, what is there? 5/8 minus is here, minus 5/8 raised to power x minus 9 is equal to 1. Their bases are not equal. What we can make? We can write ourselves bases same. For this we can say 5/8 raised to power 0. Because I told you we have the exponent that is a anyone's power 0, that becomes as a 1. So bases are equal, then you can write same thing, bases are equal, then exponents also will be equal. आप इसको equal रख सकते हैं, x minus 9 is equal to 0 और then you will get x value 9. You have to complete it yourself. Now I want to give the hint to you for the C part also. ठीक है, आपकी जो बुक है उसका पेज नंबर 40 है और बुक आपके न्यू लर्निंग कंपोजिट मैथमेटिक्स, each and every child should be the knowledge about it. अब हम करते हैं C पार्ट की बात। तो what is in this question? 2 raised to power 3x. Here is a 2, but here 1/2 raised to power 3 into 2x plus 15. 3 into 2x plus 15. There is a. So here bases again are not same. But can you do knowing this? Two conditions are there. Once you can change this also, or you can change this one also, as you wish. To know firstly, what can we say for this 2/1 raised to power 3x to 1/2? This will remain same. आप इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं करेंगे, as you can keep एक ही चेंज करना है आपको. No, what can we do in this? We can say for this 1/2 raised to power minus 3x, because if we can write a raised to power minus m is equal to a raised to power 1/a raised to power m, then we can make it negative also. अब ये हमारे पास इस तरह का है, तो we made in this way. That's why this half we will get, no, half raised to power minus 3x और this as it we have to keep. अब इसके आप ब्रैकेट भी खोल सकते हो, that will come. ब्रैकेट जब भी ओपन करनी है, जो भी टर्म्स हैं उनके साथ सभी के साथ आपने जो आउटसाइड नंबर है उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करने हैं. 3 2 6x प्लस 45. ये हो गया आपके पास बेटा जी. नो एक्सपोनेंट्स अगेन आर इक्वल, सॉरी bases are equal, therefore you have to write but their exponents also will be equal. bases equal है तो exponents equal हो गया. अगर exponents equal है then bases also will be equal. If any question you get of such type, but till in front of you they are not of such type question, तो ये आपने अपने आप खुद करनी है. You have to complete these questions. Now after this one more I want to give to you. You have to complete your notebooks. Same page number 40. This was question number 6. No, I want to give more to you. Page number 40. Question number I will write here for you. Question number 7. Page 40. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 का A and B पार्ट आपको करने हैं yourself. 6 भी कंप्लीट करना है आपको, ये भी कंप्लीट करना है. Thanks बेटा. If you like this video, like it, share it and subscribe the channel. If you face any problem, you can send your the problems to me. I will solve 100% for you. Or get whatever the method I am following that is beneficial for all the students. If anyone has problem to learn the mathematics, they can also learn easily. They will not face any problem. Thanks, Rita.